During the Revolutionary War, the colonies needed to bridge the gap between the Continental Army and Navy. So on November 10, 1775, the Second Continental Congress convened a meeting at Tun Tavern in Philadelphia. There, they established the Continental Marines, men capable of fighting the British by sea and on shore. The Marines' first victory came only months after their inception. The Marines attacked a British fort at Nassau in the Bahamas, where the British were storing vast supplies of munitions. The Marines returned with badly needed cannons and gunpowder. Today's Marine Corps is the epitome of amphibious warfare. From air, land, or sea, the Marines are capable of bringing substantial firepower quickly and effectively to any part of the world. And each November, we celebrate the birthday of the United States Marine Corps.